A question we get asked pretty often: do you use subcontractors? Hi, my name is James Webb, and I am the installation manager with Van Martin Roofing. The short answer is yes, but not in the way most people think. Let me explain. Yes, we do use subcontractors, but probably not in the way you're imagining. When people hear subcontractor, they often think it means random, untrained crews just showing up to the job to do the work. That's not how Van Martin operates, not even close. We work with a group of trusted installation partners who are more like part of our extended team. Many of them have been working exclusively with us for 10 years or more, and they go through annual manufacturer recertifications to make sure their work meets both Van Martin and our manufacturer's strict standards. They are professional crews, not temporary labor. Every single installer on a Van Martin project is 1. Trained and certified by manufacturer of the materials they're installing, for example, TAMCO or metal roofing systems. 2. Supervised by our in-house production team from start to finish. Number 3, held to the same standards we'd expect if they were full-time employees under our roof. Throughout the installation, our production managers perform quality checks, verifying things like proper nailing, ventilation setup, and cleanup procedures. Once the roof is complete, we conduct a final inspection to make sure everything meets our standards and yours. Nothing is signed off until it passes our inspection checklist. So yes, subcontractors help us serve more homeowners efficiently, but we never hand off quality control. When you hire Van Martin, you're not just hiring a crew, you're hiring a system, and that system guarantees every roof. Whether asphalt, metal, or flat, it's built the Van Martin way. You're still getting a Van Martin roof installed by Van Martin standards and backed by Van Martin's warranty. Want to see what certified, quality-controlled roofing looks like in action? Click the link in our bio to learn more about how our installation process works.